Hi everyone, it's Artis from Carpentry and Construction Limited. Today's video we're going to review Milwaukee cordless paddle mixer. So this is the model I got, and this is the box or outer part of the box it comes in. So this is the front, which says all about, you know, how it's driven, etc. And this is the model number. So I'll also put that in a description so you can find it easy if you would like to. So this is the box. It comes in like so. So it comes with the instructions, obviously. Read, please, all the instructions. A spanner. I had it as a body only version. I'll just show you in a second. And I purchased 2 separate batteries. So this is how the tool looks. So this is the extension shaft which comes with the tool itself in a box, so you can extend the paddle mixer shaft, because if you're a bit taller you might struggle. This is quite perfect for me, and I'm 5'8", I think, so this is right height for me personally. So what I like about it, it's very compact to start with, and also small, and seems to be doing actually quite well. I've been mixing bonding, plaster, drywall adhesive, and the tile adhesive I've tried on, and so far I can't fault it. What I have here is 5 amp batteries, and if I mix all, like when I did some plaster or bonding, I probably, obviously on heavier materials it will take a bit more of a battery, but with 2 batteries, which I got for this tool, is enough. So you can, whilst you charging another one, you can use it, and I never was in a position where I've run out of battery completely. So please be aware that mixing paddle can't be bigger than 120 mil. That's to obviously keep your tool running properly, because it is, don't forget, powered by battery. It's not your heavy duty one, so please bear that in mind. It feels very durable, as most of the Milwaukee tools do. So you've got a metal casing here, which is great to see. Personally, I can compare it to Vertex 110, which I had used, which I purchased earlier. That was 110 paddle, and I bought it before I even had any of Milwaukee tools, so I did have it for a while. Drawback on that one is a lot heavier. This is quite light, 2.3 kilos, obviously, plus your shaft, so probably 3 kilos or so. It's got the ability to change your speeds, so you got this toggle here where you can change the speeds. So when you're cleaning your paddle, I put it on 200 so it doesn't spin that fast in a bucket, and you can actually clean the paddle. And obviously, depending on materials you're mixing, you got options to go higher or lower in terms of speed, which is great. So the other feature is you have to press this button to start it. Without it, it won't start. You also go light, which is great, and you got this lever where you can change position of the handle, like so. However you feel comfortable holding your mixer. I like in a straight position personally. So yeah, that's another feature. Obviously it's brushless, so you don't have to worry about replacing brushes, which has been proven to be great, because brush tools do not last as well as brushless ones, well, in my experience. So again, from my experience, I can only, say all the good things about it so far. I only had it for a week, But so far it's been mixing everything I need to mix and no trouble at all. This tool cost just under £200 on the day to purchase, which was a couple of weeks ago. So obviously prices may vary, and obviously it's hard to tell, but I will try to find all the prices and put in a link in the description, and hope you find it useful, and I'll catch you in our next videos.